What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna teach you how to reseal Pokemon boxes so you can do what you want for your own purposes with that information. But yeah, I'm gonna walk you through the process. You can get this, it can be filled, it can be empty, but at the end of this video, it's gonna be sealed. So first off, you're gonna need plastic. Saran wrap, stretch wrap,
shrink wrap.
Basically, if a sea turtle doesn't want it, you're gonna want it. So we have the saran wrap, and what we do is we grab a box, and we have to get it to the perfect size. Then we're gonna wrap it, right? And then we grab the other box.
You just need one of those.
I don't need one.
Yeah.
So you grab the shrink wrap, and you bing, boom, right? And then you're like, oh my gosh, that doesn't do anything. It's gonna come off. We come over here to the
impact sealer.
The impact sealer, and on impact, you seal it, right? Right.
Yeah, right. You're good.
We seal it, and then we get our heat gun.
Yeah.
And then we
heat it.
And then it should look like this. So we're gonna have someone that actually knows what they're doing live demonstrate it. Factory sealed ETB. You always gotta check inside because people can mess you up and put non-Pokemon card stuff in it. So always check before you reseal. And this was a good pack. So we're gonna reseal these packs. Make sure you always check your Pokemon packs before you put them away for good. Because scalpers, they've been known to be hiding these, random stuff in it. They don't even put actual Pokemon cards in it. So, always check beforehand. So, first, you're gonna get your factory grade paper. Shrink wrap, stretch wrap, piece of wrap. And then you put it inside. Alright? Seems pretty easy enough. But it's not. It actually gets harder. You don't want to put it in like that. You want to put it in like this. See, I wanted to show you guys the wrong way first to make you rethink. Now this is the right way. But look, this is open, this isn't really sealed. It's like temporarily sealed. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna clamp right here. Right? We're gonna clamp right here. We're gonna push down as close as possible.
Pull.
Whoa. But all is not done yet because the thing of shrink wrap is that it's gotta shrink. So we're gonna get our grade A heat gun and apply some heat, turn up the temperature. You see how it shrinks? It's shrinking. It's kind of weird because normally it's supposed to shrink when it's cold, but in this case, it's hot, so shrink. Can you tell that this is a sealed one? I can't. Be advised, do not do this for nefarious scalper purposes. This is educational only. Okay.
You gotta get your shrink wrap. You gotta stuff it in here. And if you notice, the Pokemon boxes, they only have these on the sides, but not on the top. So you gotta make sure that the top is this right here, where it doesn't have one of those seams at. And that's really it. At that point, take it. Make sure you got it tight. What is this? Press it down, pull it out. It's bacon?
Yeah. Alright.
I got crazy bread.
There's crazy bread.
There's more like one.
What's the pizza? Pepperoni?
Cheese.
Everyone?
Yeah.
What the hell? Now it's just got to be sealed down, and then it is done. These are looking so good right now. Yeah. I'm surprised they don't use some special kind of seal that has like Pokemon logos on it or something.
I think eventually. Well,
I'm sure they will at some point.
I don't think they have too much problems with people reselling. Oh, it's not. They didn't even cut this shit. Get around the edges.
Reseal, shut your mouth.